friends, happy Saturday. Dapat magpa-park run kami ngayon or kanina umaga pero hindi naman kami bumangon kasi late na naman kami natulog. Kasi this weekend, as part of my Sydney Marathon training, week 9, kailangan kong mag 27k long run. So baka mag-run club na lang ako bukas kasi yung run club ko, meron silang every Sunday 20 or 30k run, tsaka may 10 or 15k run. So dalawang groups. So baka doon na lang ako sumama. Although 6 AM yung start nun bukas. So we'll see. So yeah, chill lang muna ngayon. Carb load, recovery, ano pa ba? Electrolytes na pagloading din. So parang as if race din siya kasi medyo mahabang mahabang run. We'll see. We're bringing this, so we're going to the shops, tapos dadali namin itong malaking bag ng plastic containers, mga ganyan, na bote. Kasi 10 cents yan kapag binalik mo. I make glass bottles pa pala. Do you want to just bring the plastics?
Huh?
Should we just bring the plastics? How many glass?
2 bags of glass.
Do you want to take them?
We can just do the plastics today.
I can carry the big bag and then you can take one glass bag. So we're going to do our shopping, maybe have early dinner, and then itong bottles. So yeah, kasi mag-long run ako bukas, tapos para pahinga na lang bukas. So this is the aftermath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plates. Lagi sila nauubusan ng eggs dito. First time ko sila makita ng eggs ngayon. Check natin kasi baka may crushed. You don't want to show yourself? Show yourself! Kids. So, hindi namin na yung cans kasi puno siya. So, do you want to take a video of the truck? Angel. How? Press this 3 times. So, that's the truck that's collecting the cans. So, puno pa siya. Tapos may nakapila na agad ng mga tao. Oh my gosh, these trolleys, mate. So we're just going home now. We had sushi for early dinner. I think you're covering the mic, by the way. Just hold it at the bottom. Had sushi train for dinner, and because I have my long run tomorrow. Yeah, so what do you think, Andrew? No comment?
No comment. It was busy as usual.
Yeah.
More busy, I think, than
Sunday.
Sunday.
Busy.
Yep.
I think it's busier on the Sunday.
No, I reckon it was busier today. I could be wrong.
Hindi rin kami nakabili ng toilet paper. Oh, the bus was so close. Toilet paper and toilet bowls is on the list. So we have a shopping list. Kasi gabi na rin. And yeah. So, ano na lang. Next time. One of these days. Ingrid, do you want me to take out your Humira?
Sure.
You didn't take it last week. You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Hey Google, set timer 30 minutes.
Alright, 30 minutes.
But I need to wait so you come back. Hey, I need to wait and shit. So you can have it, yeah? It's not fair.
Niready ko na yung mga gagamitin ko sa long run tomorrow. So, clothes, tapos yung mga energy gels, gummies. Kung madilim pa, ilagay ko lang sa kotse yung head torch. Tapos yan, sunnies, para di na ako magagahol bukas ng umaga. 6 AM start kasi yung group na i-aim ko. So, baka 4:30 kailangan ko nang bumangon. So, palang aga. And I'm not a morning person. So, it will be challenging. But yeah, we shall see. So far, sobrang disciplined ko dito sa training block na to. So, sana hindi naman siya masira dahil sa COVID nga. But yeah, I still feel good. At least mag-foam roll ako tonight para lang prepared for tomorrow. Kasi nga nag-strength training ako kahapon tapos tempo nung Thursday. So yeah. Tapos, itong Hoka Clifton 8 ko, itong black, sobrang na siya, worn out, ayan. Pero ginagamit ko na lang kasi siya sa treadmill sa bahay. Pero sobrang na talaga, parang kahit sa treadmill lang, nafe-feel ko na yung, niya, inefficiency. So, bala ko na siyang itapon. Although nakakapanghinayang kasi feeling ko may makikinabang pa rin dito. Pero, tingin nyo, i-donate ko ba? Or parang nakakahiya naman i-donate to. Parang for, lang, walking purposes, ganyan. This for treadmill, ito na yung bala ko gamitin. Ito okay pa yung Asics ko. Madumi lang. So, yeah. Usually yung mga worn out shoes yung ginagamit ko sa treadmill sa bahay. Bukod sa foam roller, yung bago kong favorite. Hindi na siya masyadong tight ngayon, pero nung una ko siyang ginamit, grabe. Mas maganda din siya sa quads. Hindi na siya masyadong tight din. So that's better. That's better. Medyo, pa rin ito. So I'm having my late lunch, Korean fried chicken and rice, and then Maggi seasoning and veg. So kakatapos ko lang ng 27K long run today. Hindi ako nakabangon for the run club kasi ewan ko, parang nagkakaroon ako ng race anxiety before ng long run. Ang weird. Parang practice pa lang naman yun, te. So yun, di ako nakatulog agad. And then, nagising ako. Tapos, nahirapan ako makatulog. So, pangit ng tulog ko last night. So, nag-decide ako na mag-sleep in. Tapos, na lang, sariling sikap na lang. And then, anyway, sabi nga nung Instagram runner friend ko, wow, parang dapat mo rin i-practice yung sa heat or hot. Kailangan mo rin i-practice sa hot conditions kasi, okay, winter ngayon, parang ang daming nag-run from 6 AM in the morning or 7 AM in the morning. Pero, yung Sydney Marathon kasi, na siya towards the end of winter, so August 31, pa-spring na. So, may possibility na mainit sa mismong race day. And since hindi naman ako ganun kabilis, malamang aabutin ko ng midday. So, direct yung araw nun kung hindi man umulan, diba? So, ayun, tinake ko na lang siya as heat training, which was really hard. And buti na lang, nag-grocery na kami kahapon. So, chill na lang for the rest of the Sunday. Nakaka-proud kasi muntik na akong mag 30Ks na under 4 hours. Sometime last year, hindi ko magawa. So, medyo may, promising yung, parang pasok na ako sa sub 6, feel ko talaga. Wow, yamang. Pero promising din yung sub 5. Although, na yun, parang, ambitious ang goal na yun. But, yeah, we'll see. Sobrang iba tong training na to compared to last year. Mas disciplined ako, mas stronger mas prepared, I guess. And siguro, syempre parang na-build mo na yung fitness from last year. Kaya parang mas madali siya. Although parang nandun pa rin yung i-aim mo na mas mabilis na pace, ganyan. Pero yeah, mas enjoy ko siya ngayon. Alright, so that's it for this weekend vlog. I'll see you on the next one.